Hello students, welcome to our channel Lakshmi Kavya Law Tutorials. Today we are going to discussing about chapter 2 of Indian Evidence Act 1872. Not completing the chapter students, just I am discussing about section 5. Okay, one by one section will have to be discussed very deeply for to your understanding purpose and for to your legal practice. Okay, this is very important for your legal practice, right? So that's why. Okay, so prior to discussing about today's video, please subscribe to our channel and like this video and share this video to your friends. Without any delay, let us dive into our today's topic. So section 5. Chapter 2 consists of how many sections? Already we have to discuss in our previous video. How many sections? Yes, section 5 to 55. Okay, so first of all, we have to discuss about section 5. This chapter deals with what? Relevancy of facts. Okay, so section 5. In section 5, we have observed that the two types of prospectives. First one, the kinds of facts. Second one, limitations of admissibility. Okay, so first one, kinds of facts. There are two kinds of facts. First one, fact in issue, and second one, relevancy of fact. What is the meaning of fact in issue? What? A fact which you have to be observed directly in a case. That is called as fact in issue. Okay, I will once again explain that. A fact which you have to observe directly in a case, that is called as fact in issue. It doesn't want any type of other scene of offences or the other things. Okay, and relevant fact. A fact which connects the case, okay, connected to the case, that is called as relevant fact. It is also called as supported fact. Okay, supported fact is just this word is myself word, students. You don't check it anywhere. Okay, so supported fact. Okay, so fact in issue, relevant fact. I will give an example here to understanding purpose. Okay, an FIR filed in a police station. Okay, lawyer go to the police station and check out that FIR. In that FIR, accused committed such murder or such stole or such kidnap, etc., etc. Okay, so which will have to be observed in FIR. Okay, what is that? Accused committed a crime. So that is the fact in issue. Okay, fact in issue. What is fact? There is a murder and committed by accused person. So that is the fact in issue. And second one, if you wanted to prove that crime, okay, if you wanted to prove that crime, so many evidences are needed, right? So all those evidences are called as relevant facts. For example, a person ran away from the scene of offense, and some food impressions are observed by the police officers, or thumb impressions are observed by the police officers, or any other type of relevance to that murder. Any wallet, identity cards, visiting cards, etc., etc., are also important for to dispose that case. So these all the evidences are called as relevant facts. Okay. So question which involved in the case or primary stage, that is called as fact in issue. And second one, which are relevant to that case to prove the true or false. The case is true or false. So, for proof, that facts are called as relevancy of facts. Clear? And one more example we have to be taken in civil case. Okay? So, X have a right in his ancestral property. This is a case. Okay? So, direct case. Okay? So, this is fact in issue. X has a right in his ancestral property. Obviously. So that is fact in issue. So for to prove this fact, the burden of proof lies upon the X to prove that fact and provided some evidences such as family member certificate and some partition deeds, whether it is registered or unregistered, or any type of oral evidences from their family members or outside his friends or any other type of neighbors, etc., etc. These are all relevant facts. These are supporting facts to prove the fact. Okay, so this is the very important two types of facts, that is fact in issue and relevant facts. So these two types are come for your 3 marks question in LLB examination also, students. So that's why you have to remember that it is very important for legal practice. Okay, and next, limitations on admissibility, second aspect, right? So what are the limitations? Whether the fact is compulsory related to the case, then only it admissible by the court. If it is not related to the case, it is not admissible by the court. Okay, so fact must and should related to the case. Okay, clear. For example, in the above example, X has right to right in his ancestral property. Okay, so you have to be produced the family person certificate, etc., certificates, but you have to produce one any type of his educational documents. Is it is relevant? No. So, this type of facts or this type of evidences are not admissible by the court. So, that is the limitations for facts. Okay. So, whether the fact is relevant to the case, then only the facts are admissible by the courts. Okay. Clear, students? So, rest of remaining sections 6 to 55 of Indian Evidence Act explains about the on which constitutes the relevancy of the facts, which are the types of relevancy of the facts, all those things. So in our very next video we have to discuss about the doctrine of res judice. Okay, doctrine of res judice. This is very important doctrine for LLB examinations also, students. So in this session we have to classify as two types of short notes. First one, the facts of issue, and second one, relevancy fact. Meaning of facts of issue, meaning of relevancy of facts is come for the 3 marks question. So it is very important questions. You have to write down the notes very well, which have to be displaying on the monitor screen. Okay, just look at the screen and write down the notes. So this is about all the notes relating to the section 5 of Indian Evidence Act. Students, one thing you have to study. If you think that why ma'am is giving all the sections relating to Indian Evidence Act, just give the important question and answers. That's it. That is more than enough for us. But no, students, it is not more than enough for us, because when you are go for your practice, the Indian Evidence Act is very important law for us. So that's why I'm giving each and every section to you, and I will give all the important questions also after completion of all these law. Okay, don't get confused. I will complete as soon as possible, and I will give full important questions offer you also. Okay, so this is all for today's class. If you are like my lecture, please give a like and subscribe, and share this video to your friends. This is all for today. This is Lakshmi Kavya Gokaraju signing off for today. Stay tuned.